Hey y'all, it's Lynn and welcome to my channel where you will find lifestyle, DIY, and beauty. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, hey bestie! Please be sure to join the bestie squad down below by subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you truly enjoy it, share with a friend. For today's video, I'm going to be recreating Kylie Jenner's tour makeup where she did a pop of color in the inner corner of her eyes. I am fully prepared for this look. I have my Astro World t-shirt on. Yes, I went and it was a blast.
If you went, you know.
I figured this look is something fun and springtime and summertime ready, and it's something super simple that you can do to add to your outfit or your makeup of the day that'll take it from 0 to 100 real quick. So let's go ahead and get into it. So for copyright reasons, I am not going to be inserting the clip into my video like I planned on. I'm going to be watching it on my phone and talking to you guys and walking you through it at the same time. She starts with her base fully on. So I have my foundation, my powder, my eyebrows are on, I contoured my nose, and I also prepped my eyes. So all I did for that was I applied concealer and then powder over it. That way it's a smooth, clean canvas to go ahead and apply the eyeshadows. I have my basket of goodies here with all the products I'm going to be using for today. Oh. Whoops, sorry. She is, of course, using all Kylie products. I don't have that many products of hers, so I'm going to be improvising and using my own, and let's see if the look turns out like hers. So to start, she uses two eyeshadows. One is a warm color, and the other one's more of a neutral cool color. So I have my It's My Ray Ray palette here. I'm going to be using these two colors on the top, Nudist and Pancake. She only does it in the crease area.
So I'm going to do it in the crease area.
So she then goes in with one of these colors. I'm going to use the darker color that I used first, and just to further define the crease. I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush and go ahead and blend in the edges. So that's what we have so far.
I told you it's very natural, very neutral.
Let's go on. So the next step she does is she takes her brown eyeliner and does a winged liner. I'm going to be using my LA Colors brow gel for this. This is pretty light. I used it in my dollar store haul. You can check it out above. And we're going to go ahead and do a wing liner. I'm going to be using my ABH dual-ended brush and also my angled brush from e.l.f. Don't worry, we're going to go back and clean it up. So my wings are on. I'm going to go ahead and just clean it up using my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm using my Lancome liner brush, and I'm just going to clean up the edge. So in her video, she didn't show her doing this. She just did one eye.
She said, okay, I'll be back. I'm going to go do my other eye. And
she came back and they were both done. So I'm assuming she cleaned up too. So we're going to clean up and it's okay. Alright, Kylie, so my eyeliner is on. The same shadows we used on our crease area, we're going to go ahead and put in our bottom lash line. I'm going to take my 217 MAC brush. I can't do this regularly. I feel like when I look up, I'm able just to get more in there and the eyeshadow doesn't go in my eye as much. So I had a little bit of fallout. I'm just going to clean it up with my Real Techniques medium fluffy brush. Okay, next step.
Oh my god, do I look like Kylie yet?
that's my last name, Jenner.
Alright, now this is the fun part. This is where she adds the pop of color into the inner corner of her eye. So for my pop of color, I'm going to be using the Luna Magic. I received this in a Walmart beauty box. It's my first time actually using it, so let's see how it goes. I'm going to be using the pink color Salud from the palette. I think it's looking good so far. I'm just going to continue to build the color and see if it gets a little darker. That way it looks a little bit more neon and glowy. That's where we're at right now. I'm going to be taking a clean pencil brush and just blending the edges of the pink because I think it looks a little too harsh right now.
Oh my god, oh, looks so pretty.
So the next part of the video is her putting on the blush, but before we put on blush, since she already has her eyelash extensions on, I don't want to use my natural lashes because
I want to be extra like her.
So I'm gonna put some falsies on and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Boy, what a difference lashes and mascara can do to a look. I mean, look at this.
I would say I'm Kylie Jenner. Like, if you saw me in the street, you would confuse me.
Kylie, is that you? So the next thing she uses is her blush. It's a very light pink pale wash. I'm going to be using my Cover FX palette, and I'm going to be using this color here, Sublime. And we're going to smile because we're so happy. Okay, moving along. Alright, we're jumping into highlight. The highlight she's using has like a goldish undertone, so I'm going to be using my Black Radiance Gold pigment. I think that looks good. It's very subtle. It's not too beaming in your eyes. Yes, we're finally at the lips. So for lip liner, she uses a very nude brown pinky lip liner. I'm going to be using Curvy from ColourPop and the I Love Sarai collection. So fun thing, she does it with her eyes closed.
So I'm gonna do it with my eyes closed.
You know, to each their own. Just going to clean that up with the same brush we used to clean up our wing liner. For lipstick, she uses Savage, which is more of a pink rosy blush color. It's a matte lipstick, so I'm going to use NYX Soft Matte Lip, and this is in the shade California. So what are your thoughts? Do you think it
Matches her picture.
I thought this look would be super fun to do, just to recreate something using other products other than her products, just to show you guys that you can use anything you have and use it to your advantage. You don't have to have the exact same product that somebody mentions in their video. What you have already will do. It's fine if it's not the
Same brand.
It's not the same color.
It's okay. That's what makes it special and unique to your look. Alright, we don't want to walk around being copies of everybody. That's not fun. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment your favorite part down below, and also don't forget to join my bestie squad by subscribing down below. And as always, if you really enjoy it, please share it with a friend. See you guys on my next one. What the heck?
Am I her?
So, I have that.